Yeah, g'day guys. Just another update on the HQ Sedan build. I've started cutting out the rear floor section, drilled all the rivets out where it had to be done. Just got a few more touch-ups to do around the edges, neaten it up. Then I'll give it a bit of protection inside the rails and give it a little bit of Dulux overhaul on the outside of the rails, make it look nice and pretty and shit. Also have removed the differential and the fuel tank, so then where I can repair some of the little rust bits in the boot. Yeah, I just thought I'd just show a little bit of progress. It's a good thing about these old cars, you just drill the spot welds out and all comes out fairly easy, which is good. And there's lots of other vehicles around which you can get parts for, and they still make a lot of the parts brand new. Which is really good. So yeah, just a little bit of an update guys, nothing too special, but there'll be more videos to come and there'll be a bit more coming along. So alright, I'll leave you guys to it and I'll be back in a second with a bit more done. Alrighty guys, as you can see, started cleaning back the chassis and inner rails and bits and pieces to where I've got to clean up and paint a few bits and pieces and get it ready for welding bits and pieces. It's going to be more coming along. It's hard to see with this light, but yeah. Anyway, you get the picture. More pics to come soon, more videos, whichever. No worries, see you soon.